Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to subscribe to a particular story on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, we have Spotlight, where you can check out some videos. We have Stories, where you can check out stories of your friends. The camera on Snapchat. And in the bottom left corner, your location and Snapchat chats. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and subscribe to a particular story on Snapchat. To subscribe to a particular story on Snapchat, follow these steps. Open Snapchat and go to Discover by tapping in the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, find the story you want to subscribe to. You can scroll through featured stories or use the search bar to find specific creators or topics. Then tap and hold on the story tile until a menu appears, and then select subscribe from the menu. This will add the story to your subscriptions, and you'll see updates from this creator in your story feed. If you want to manage your subscriptions, you can go to the stories page, tap three dots menu icon in the upper right corner, and select manage subscriptions and notifications. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.